Want to see how much your savings could grow? Let's break it down step by step. Today, we're diving into the world of compound interest, a powerful tool for financial growth. Understanding compound interest can transform the way you manage your savings. Let's start with a simple formula. A equals P times open parentheses, 1 plus R over N, close parentheses, to the power of NT. Now, I know that might sound complex, but let's simplify it with an example. Imagine you have $1,000 and you invest it at an annual interest rate of 5% for 10 years. By using our formula, your savings would grow to approximately $1,628. Compound interest allows your money to earn interest on both the initial amount and the accumulated interest over time. This means your savings can grow exponentially. And if you're looking for a quicker way to calculate, online calculators can be a great resource. So, are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Hit that like button for more tools and tips to supercharge your savings. Remember, understanding compound interest is a key step in achieving financial literacy and boosting your financial growth. Let's make those savings work harder for you.